Today is December 17, 2020. I'm making this video to raise awareness about the homeless people that are here in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and other states around in United States. It's very sad. We had the big snowstorm today, and the homeless people are hiding in the woods. We need more affordable housing and shelter all year round, rehabilitation center, and other help for the people in need here in United States and around the world. The government need to work with non-profit organizations like Foundation, Good Samaritan Ministry of Charity, home base in the Dominican Republic. They would like to work with the government of United States to improve the life of the homeless people, the low-income housing, and the people that are addicted to drugs and other issues. It's very important that we work as a network together to improve the life of our citizens and people that live in our nation.